Okay, guys, I'm going to do a deposit. I'm going to do a very minimum deposit of $10 of USDT. Okay, right. The first thing I'm going to do is go to my liquidity on HODL. Here we go. Let's have a go. Let's have a look at this. 90 days. Okay, that's 90 days. You can actually do 30 days, which gives you 0.34% daily, 10.2% per month. It's up to you. Or you can do 60 days, 0.42 daily. Okay, 25.2% for 2 months. Okay, so it's tied in for 2 months basically. Yeah. Or you can do 90 days, which is 3 months, 0.5% daily. That's I always do that because I like to kind of get more return investment on my deposits, and it gives me 45%, 3 months, and 15% per month, which is pretty cool. The beauty about this, you can actually withdraw weekly, which is pretty good. You can withdraw your return on investment every Mondays, or you can compound it, up to you. You know, there's a little button here when you start making profits every day. It goes here when you make profits. When every Mondays you see the eligible to withdraw, you can either re-enroll, in other words, you can compound it, or you can just withdraw it. Up to you. All right. Right. Meanwhile, let's do a minimum deposit of $10. Are we? Okay. All right. $10. Okay. $10 of USDT. Okay. Approve. So let's get my head out of the way. Okay. Right, $10. Okay, USDT. Yes. Next. Okay, it's going to cost me 9 cents. Is nothing. Okay. There we go. Oh, here. Add liquidity. So once it's done that, it's populated, and you press the button on the MetaMask wallet. It says add liquidity, and that was I'm adding the $10 into the system here. Okay, add liquidity. Okay, MetaMask will pop up again, and it's cost me 32 cents. This is the wallet fees. But guys, you must have BNB in your MetaMask wallet. That's like gas fees. Okay, so I'll confirm it. And it's just going through, let it do its thing. Let's do its magic. And it should pop up saying success. But I always thought the minimum deposit was $50. But hey, I was told by my upline, no, the minimum deposit is $10. Hey ho. And I thought that's very good for new people getting involved. And it's certainly affordable for a lot of people out there. Okay. And meanwhile, let it do its thing. Hooah. Boom. Success. So, yeah. So, happy days. We're back in business. So, if I scroll down, I can actually see my my investments. Okay. I do get these investments back within the contract agreement. For example, 90 days, I'll get $1,000 back. But every day I will receive 0.5% return on investment on my deposit. I get paid daily, which is cool. And there's a little timer here. It says I've got another 79 days left, and as you can see, all my deposits I've paid. Okay, that was today, just now. Okay, so yeah, it's all going well, and what I'm doing now, I did my let's have a look. Where is it now? When I first started, I've been here, started roughly about 9 days now. Very happy with the business. I'm very happy with it. Happy with the concept here, and I'm happy with the webinars every day, which is cool. But yeah, as I was saying, so if I go to, let's have a look, $10, so 90 days, 0.5%. Okay, that's my wallet. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Okay, you can actually, if you look at my video, which I did, if you're happy about this business, you want to join, please reach out to me on YouTube or Facebook. All my links will be below the video, and also give my my YouTube channel a like, and also please subscribe to my channel. What we're doing other videos on HODL, and I do have other platforms as well. And yeah, it's all running good. Thank you very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. But yeah, it's something to look into, guys. And if you want to grow your crypto to the next level, this is the way to do it. You know, I have used here we go. I have used a company called Uniswap and also PancakeSwap. Very good companies, very good, but it's not really newbie friendly. Really, you've really got to know, how to use it properly. But this company here, HODL, it's it's foolproof basically, and it's designed for beginners and intermediates and advanced people. But it's so easy, guys. Christ, you're lending money to exchanges and they're paying you wallet fees. Hey, can't be. Hey, what can I say? Brilliant concept. Meanwhile, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Really appreciate it, and take care and have a great day. Happy days.